What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another thrilling episode of Finding the Fun. Today we'll be embarking on an exhilarating journey along Highway 20, starting from the charming town in Winthrop in Washington and venturing all the way through the awe-inspiring Washington Pass. So grab your helmets and rev up those motorcycles because we're about to dive into some two-wheeled adventure. As we kick off this adventure, we find ourselves in Winthrop, a town that seems to have frozen time with its vintage charm. This unique facade draws in tourists from across the state, adding a touch of nostalgia to our ride. Leaving behind the old-timey streets of Winthrop, our wheels carry us towards Mazama. The road, initially stretching out over flat terrain, weaves through picturesque farmland nestled between towering mountains. This tranquil valley ride serves as the perfect prelude to the excitement that lies ahead. But as we approach Mazama, get ready to switch gears literally and metaphorically. The road transforms, ascending gradually and playfully revealing its twisty personality. With each turn on the throttle, we begin our ascent through the valley nestled just north of Silver Star Mountain. The elevation gain is no small feat, a thrilling 3,000 feet as we push onwards to the majestic Washington Pass viewpoint. Now here's a tip from me. While both directions of Highway 20 are captivating, riding from west to east feels like a carefully orchestrated dance with the road. The hill climb leading to the pass unveils a more expansive and open landscape, providing room to breathe and soak in the surroundings. On the western descent, the road becomes a true test of skill, demanding precision and offering the kind of challenge that keeps us riders on our toes. And just when you thought the road couldn't get any better, the landscape rewards your efforts with a breathtaking view of Liberty Bell Mountain. The rock's spires pierce the sky like the ancient guardians of this pass, making you feel like you are riding through a scene straight out of a fantasy novel. The view from the parking lot trail is absolutely breathtaking, and I would highly recommend stopping. As we bid adieu to Liberty Bell, the road carries us downhill towards the west, where another thrilling chapter of a ride awaits. The path through the mountainside is a masterclass in motorcycling fun. While the road might not flaunt the most crisp lines, the clean surface offers the grip we need to navigate the twists and turns with confidence. Just keep in mind that on a sunny Sunday like the one I rode, a bit of traffic can add a challenge to the adventure. As you descend downhill, the road maintains a rhythmic allure through the corners while granting clear sight lines. And oh, don't even get me started about the Diablo lake views. The water's turquoise hue is utterly surreal, a vivid contrast to the rugged beauty of the mountains. It's almost like riding through a dream. Descending toward the lake from the viewpoint is a heart-pounding section of road that I'd recommend tackling uphill. The corners are thoughtfully designed, cambered to perfection, and generously signed, making it a roller coaster of a ride that'll leave you grinning from ear to ear. As we continue to wind our way towards Gorge Lake and the second lake bridge, the road treats us to a 500-foot elevation drop. Highway 20 alongside Gorge Lake is a true masterpiece, dancing through the trees on the hillside before gradually straightening out as we approach Nehalem. So there you have it, another exhilarating chapter in our quest to find the fun. From the charming streets of Winthrop to the majestic views atop Washington Pass, this stretch of Highway 20 has it all. Nostalgia, challenge, breathtaking scenery, and the undeniable thrill of the open road. Until next time, thanks for watching and have a good day.